Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to extract .rar file, that is RAR file in Windows 10. Okay, so guys, as you can see that I have got this file, that is file.rar. okay, as you can see the extension is showing over here, but let me show you. If you don't know, then you just need to right click on the file and then click on properties, and here you can see the type of file, that is RAR file.rar. okay, so how we can extract this? So to extract this we need one software from rarlab.com. okay, so you need to go to this website called www.rarlab.com, and I will place this website link in the video description. You can check it out. Okay, so guys, after that you just need to click on this downloads link over here, and here you can see latest English, WinRar and RAR beta versions. Okay, so we are using Windows 10, so here they have option like 32-bit. If you want to download it for 32-bit, you can download the first link, and 64-bit. If you have 64-bit Windows 10, then you just need to download this second option. Okay, and they have for Linux, x64, FreeBSD, Mac OS. Okay, so in this tutorial we are using Windows 10 64-bit. okay, so if you don't know which Windows you are using, like 32-bit or 64-bit, you just need to go to this search box over here and you need to type this system information. Okay, so here we have this system information desktop app. Just click on this, and guys, here you need to find this system type. So as you can see that I'm using x64 based PC. Yours might be different, like 32-bit. okay, so I just need to click on this link, the second one. As you can see at the bottom left of my Chrome browser, it's downloading. As you can see guys, the file has been downloaded, and you need to go to the folder where you have downloaded this. Okay, so just click over here if you are using Chrome and just click on show in folder, and I downloaded it on my desktop. Okay, so let me close that and go to my desktop. So here I have this file, so double click on it to run the installer. So user account control, you just need to click on this yes. Okay, click on install. Let it be default, associate WinRar with the file types. Okay, click on OK, and as you can see that WinRar has been successfully installed to the folder, and just click on this done. Okay guys, so if you are new to the RAR, here they have this console RAR manual. You can take a look at it, read it. Okay, and they have this file also, what is in the latest version, what's new in the latest version. You can check it out if you like. And with that help, they have this full book they have. You can check it if you like, if you want to know more about this software. And at the last they have this software. Okay, so here this is our file. So you just need to refresh it first, and then just click on this this file, and here you can see this option, extract here or extract files. Okay, this will give you the folder where you want to extract that, but we just want to extract here on desktop. Okay, as you can see guys, here this is my the folder, the extracted one. I don't have anything over here. Okay, and also if you want to change this association, you just need to right click on this, go to properties and click on this change and choose this WinRar archiver. Okay, if you don't see the option over here, you can just click on this more apps and you can select this, select from here, click on OK, and then click on apply and then OK. Okay guys, so here you can see the WinRar is showing over here. Okay, so guys, in this way you can easily extract RAR file in Windows 10 very easily. So hope this tutorial helps. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please rate, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.